Hey guys, and welcome back to TGIF. In this video, as promised yesterday, I'm going to show you how to make a lemon honey ginger tea. This is great for anybody that's got any digestive troubles, if you're having some nausea as well. And the natural properties of both lemon and ginger are very highly anti-inflammatory in nature. So this is great tea for you. Also, if you're going to be going to bed soon, you're looking for something nice and relaxing. Really simple, only takes a couple minutes, so I'm going to walk you through it right now. So what you're going to need for this is, we've got these are 4 life cups right here. And you don't need these cups, you just need something this is going to help you keep the ginger pieces out of it, something that's got a very fine mesh, because we're gonna do a very finely grated ginger here. So these are nice. You can get these online. I might even put an affiliate link in the description below. But this is gonna hold about 12 ounces of water. So for 2 people, you're gonna need about 24 ounces of water. You're gonna need a piece of ginger. This is way more than enough. You'll see in a second here. I already pre-cut a lemon in half. And then you're going to want some honey. We're about out of this one here, so we'll probably use a little bit of both. Got a measuring spoon. You can sweeten it to your own taste. And then, of course, we're going to need some hot water that just finished up right here. So this is the kind of grater I love. It's really easy to clean. This is like one of those really fine cheese graters you use with Parmesan cheese, or that's the primary use for it, but it works great with the ginger. So just going to take our ginger here. We're going to rub it back and forth. Tap it down there. And because the raw ginger is quite strong, this is all you're going to need. We're looking at probably about a teaspoon each per cup here, once we divide it into our 2 piles. We're going to take our 4 life cups. We're going to put the ginger right into that, so it's not going to just be floating in the water. This is a lemon press. Not necessary, it just makes it a lot easier. But regardless, the lemon seeds would get caught in the chamber there, so you don't have to worry about it. Another alternative is you can get these little like floaty balls. This one is chain broke off, but normally there's a chain on there that goes along with that, and you can put the ginger right inside that. Give that lemon a nice squeeze there. We'll go to the other one here. Nice squeeze. And then for the honey, like I said, it's going to be per taste. So we're going to, I recommend about half a teaspoon. That's plenty. Maybe for extra sweet tonight, we'll do a teaspoon. Teaspoon of honey. Teaspoon of honey. Again, to taste. After you've done it a couple times, you can adjust the ginger and see if you like that. Pour the water right over top. And let it steep for about 4 to 5 minutes. You'll pull out the metal part there, and you'll be good to go. And you'll have a nice, relaxing tea for the evening to help along your digestion. This is great to either before or after meals. Will help the digestion process and help you with any nausea that you might have. Thanks so much for checking out our TGIF video, guys. On Monday, we'll be back with Mental Health Mondays, so I look forward to seeing you then. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the little bell so you never miss another video again. Thanks so much for stopping by, guys.